Hey everyone, welcome to the TenorShare PDNob channel. Need to delete pages from a PDF? Maybe your PDF contains blank pages, duplicate pages, unnecessary sections, or outdated information that you no longer need. The good news is that you don't need Adobe Acrobat to remove pages from a PDF. In this video, I'll show you 3 easy ways to delete pages from a PDF on Windows and Mac. First, Method 1. Using Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Browsers like Chrome and Edge don't have a dedicated delete page tool, but you can remove pages by printing only the pages you want to keep. Here's how. Open your PDF in Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Press Ctrl P to open the Print menu. Choose Save as PDF as the destination. In the Pages section, enter only the page numbers you want to keep. For example, if you want to remove page 5 from a 10-page PDF, you would enter 1 to 4, 6 to 10. Click Save to create a new PDF without the unwanted pages. The pros of this method are that it's completely free, requires no software installation, and works on both Windows and Mac. The cons are that it's not a true page deletion feature, it's time-consuming for large PDFs, it's difficult when removing many scattered pages, and there's no drag-and-drop page organization. Method 2. Using Mac Preview. If you're using a Mac, Preview provides a simple way to remove pages directly. Here's how. Open the PDF in Preview, click View, then Thumbnails to see all the pages in a sidebar. Select the page you want to remove by clicking on its thumbnail, press the Delete key on your keyboard, or go to Edit and then Delete. Finally, save the PDF. The pros are that it's built into macOS, fast and easy to use, offers direct page deletion, and requires no additional software. The cons are that it's only available on Mac, has limited page management features, and is not ideal for large documents with many pages or complex deletions. Method 3. TenorShare PDNob. If you regularly work with PDFs, TenorShare PDNob PDF Editor offers a much more efficient way to manage pages. Besides deleting pages, it also allows you to rearrange, insert, rotate, split, and organize PDF pages. Here's the process. First, download and install TenorShare PDNob. Open your PDF file. Go to the Page Management or Organize Pages section. Here, you'll see visual thumbnails of every page. Select one or multiple pages by clicking on them. You can hold Ctrl to select multiple. Click Delete Pages. Review the document to make sure you've removed the correct pages. Then save the updated PDF. The advantages of PDNob are significant. Delete single or multiple pages instantly with one click. Easy visual page management with thumbnails. Supports page reordering, rotation, and insertion all in one place. It's better for large PDFs with many pages. And it includes OCR, editing, annotation, conversion, and compression tools as a complete PDF solution. The only con is that it requires installation, and some advanced features may require the full version. Let's compare all 3 methods. Chrome and Edge provide a simple workaround but aren't designed for PDF editing. Preview works well for Mac users who only need basic page deletion. TenorShare PDNob offers the most complete solution, especially if you frequently manage large PDF files. Before removing pages, keep these tips in mind. Make a backup copy of the original PDF before making changes. Review page numbers carefully. Some PDFs have printed page numbers that differ from the PDF's actual page count. Delete multiple pages at once. If you're removing many pages, a dedicated PDF editor can save a lot of time. If you also need to reorder, rotate, split, merge, or edit pages, a tool like TenorShare PDNob provides a much smoother workflow. If this guide helped you clean up your PDFs, please give the video a like. For a link to try PDNob, check the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.